Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving northwest from Agualta Vale towards Rosend, St. Mary Parish. We are driving on the A3 Agualta Vale to Martins Road, also the Northern Coastal Highway. We are in the Orange Hill area. On the left is Belfield Road, same as Belfield Main Road, Belfield Works Road, or the Clermont to Orange Hill Road, crossing the Waters River. On the right is Robins Bay Road, which will take you to Robins Bay, Greencastle, where you can find the Greencastle Estate, to Mount Pleasant, Nutfield and other places, as well as to Tacky Falls, Kwame Waterfalls, Black Sand Beach and Don Christopher Point. On the right is Rosend Seventh-day Adventist Church. On the right is Rosend Church of God in Jamaica. On the right is the Playfield. On the right is Well Road. Entering Agualta Vale. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.